Hi friends, welcome to our channel CG Learner, and today we are going to discuss about angles. So what is angle? So angle is formed by two rays that shares a common point. That common point is called vertex. So angle is made up of by two rays when it will common endpoint, shares a common endpoints. Generally these angles are measured in degrees, sometimes in radians also. So how to draw angles? If we draw angles, two rays is there, one common endpoint, that is O. So here OA is the one ray and OB is the one ray, and between this angle it is called theta. So angle AOB is equal to theta. So now coming to the types of angle. How many types of angle is there? Now I see. So first one is the acute angle. Acute angle means when theta is less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle. Then after, a right angle. When theta is equal to 90 degree, that is called right angle. Obtuse angle. When theta is greater than 90 degree, then that is called obtuse angle. Straight angle. When theta is equal to 180 degree, that angle is called straight angle. Reflex angle. When theta is more than 180 degree, then that is called reflex angle. Then last one is the full angle. When theta is equal to 360 degree, then it is called full angle. If we write the correct way of the acute angle, it is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, and reflex angle, more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So these are about angles. Thank you.